Morning, Spencer the mechanic. Today is car crank but no start. 1999 Honda Odyssey. The problem is on this car is crank but no start. I shoot in the fuel in, and the fuel burn and the car shut off. Okay. All you do is press this down and shoot the fuel injection in the can. It happened to be bad spark plug, all of them bad. If you driving a Japanese car, Honda Odyssey or something, or Toyota, whatever it is, try to get NGK, Japanese spark plug. Don't put American spark plug or Germany spark plug, because they don't belong there. This car here is dead. It crank but no start. They have a dead coil pack in the back right here. Okay, dead coil pack, one dead coil pack right here. This one is dead on the back here. 1, 3, 5. Number 5 coil pack is dead. That's why the car also don't start, because of that, and shaky. The spark plug is all dead. It's no coat. So what I did is I have the Honda 2001, and I took the coil pack and all the spark plug from my car to find out what's wrong with that car. That's how I found out. So this car here is one dead coil pack and all the spark plug is dead, because it's not Japanese spark plug they put in there, cheap spark plug. I'm coming in the car now. This is the car I'm gonna start right now. The car was not start, crank but no start. See, crank but no start. Now it starts happily. Just gonna warm up the engine a little bit. Just put a new spark plug in for my car. We started my car, and the car should be good to go. Bad spark plug and one dead coil pack, number 5. Spencer the mechanic. Thank you for watching. See you next video.